E-commerce industry has seen a spurt growth over years, along with the rapid changes in user demands. People in the industry did not think about upgrading their technology at the same pace the e-commerce industry seeing the changes. Until today, many e-commerce companies are using the same technology that are over a decade old. These technologies are no more supporting today's fast-paced e-commerce world.
Older solutions in the market are full of plugins and widgets that makes the entire e-commerce application heavyweight. With Spurt Commerce, that's not the case. You get the full source code and the source code is not encrypted. If you're an e-commerce business owner and if you have your own team of developers, they can easily customize it. They can get rid of those features you don't want and retain those you want. And also on top of it, if you are looking for something that is not there in our solution by default, on top of it they can easily add it.
Understanding this is a pain point for the industry, we are decided to change the new technologies Node.js and AngularJS. We decided on bringing a whole new e-commerce solution. Using the trending Node.js and Angular technologies that can scale in accordance with the growth of e-commerce business.
We analyzed that Node.js has several advantages that can best fit the e-commerce needs.
We started e-commerce 3 years ago in 2018 with a small team of 3 to 5 developers. Today we are a team of 30 members who is working on the solution, new upgrade, enhancement and support.
In order to support those developers who want to explore our free source code, who want to download and explore it, we started this Spurt Commerce community. Here in this community, the developers across the world, the Node.js developers and the Angular developers, they are constantly interacting with each other, posting queries, answering questions. Here in this community, our team of developers, the Spurt Commerce team members are also active, answering queries and helping those developers. After seeing an overwhelming response in this community, we realized that yes, e-commerce industry is looking for a technological change. Business owners in e-commerce are looking forward to this disruption. This encouraged us to release the commercial version with premium support.
We started slowly and gradually. Initially to understand how the industry would respond to the new tech stack. We first released a code base making it free for download. In order to support those peoples who shows interest on download for free source code and use, we started a community. Spurt Commerce has a lot of advantages on the server side, especially for the functionality like order placing, payment system. The all APIs are already available.
We saw some of the advantages in Node.js that can build speeder and well-performing e-commerce platform. The page needs to load within 3 seconds and the checkout. Order placing and payment has to happen in next couple of seconds.
Our default solution is on Angular frontend, but you can use Node.js backend API for any frontend technologies like React, Vue.js, Flutter and React Native.
The front-end and back-end are not tightly coupled. So yes, Spurt Commerce is a headless commerce solution.
Over 20,000 plus developers from all across the world are using our community edition source code. The community is active with these many developers, continuously interacting, asking and answering queries.
Over 50 plus customers across the world, who includes developers, e-commerce startups, companies, have purchased our both single vendor as well as multi-vendor solutions so far. We have customers from all across the world, from South America, South Africa, African countries, India, Southeast Asian countries, and recently one of the top 4G and 5G network service providing company in one of the Southeast Asian countries purchased our multi-vendor solution for their e-commerce expedition.
Our design team has been continuously working on the look and feel of the front end and also to make certain storefront functionality, really such as placing an order in just 2 clicks and so on.
Moving forward, in near future, we have already set a roadmap with many plans to upgrade, bring more enhancements, more features into Spurt Commerce. We have already planned the roadmap for this 2021. Our team comprises of designers, developers and R&D team, and this team has been constantly working on enhancing our solution, and so far now this team has invested more than 20,000 hours in making this solution industry ready.